Highline Library's One Search tool can help you explore the library's resources in one place. It's a good starting place for your research to find a variety of types of resources on a topic. Some of these materials will be in the library physically, while others will come electronically through library databases. Most of what you find in these databases isn't freely available online. In this video, we'll look at how to use OneSearch to find resources that are available electronically while the library building is closed. You can access the OneSearch tool from the Highline Library's homepage, library.highline.edu. A basic search will search all of the library's resources at once. Advanced search is also available. If you have a specific database you'd like to search, you can find that on the database pages. To do a basic search, type your keywords into the search box and click Go. You'll likely see a large number of results after your search. You can distinguish the type of library items by looking at the icons for books, articles, or videos. You can narrow your choices by making the keywords more specific, performing an advanced search, or by using the filters on the left side of this results page. These limiters allow you to narrow your results. While the library's physical building is closed, choose the Available Online filter. You can also limit your search to peer-reviewed journal articles for academic research, or to include resources published within a certain date range. You can also narrow your choices by material type. To open the resource, click on its name and the database where it's held. Look for tools to print, email, or cite the article. Some articles also come in audio formats, which can be downloaded as an MP3 file or listened to from the computer. You'll find different types of sources depending on your search. For more help using the OneSearch tool, contact the Highline librarians.